War veteran Blessed Geza is effectively criticized President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his supporters, whom he refers to as Rigananda, for attempting to reverse Zimbabwe's land reform program. In a statement issued on Monday, Geza expressed his gratitude to the citizens who responded to his call for protest against Mnangagwa's push for the third term in office. Sana vina mashoko anobudanjirwa panapa pamusoro aiwa mashoko anotaurwa naBhumsho Geza achiudza police forces kuti aiwa don't be used on this regime. Don't go subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina panapa munhu wamubudanjirwa muchidzi Geza statement in quotes. I am yours, Blessed Geza. Comrade Bhumsho began. First of all, I want to thank you Zimbabweans for heeding our call to take action. Geza, who took to the streets of Harare earlier that morning to gauge the situation, found the response overwhelming. The streets were empty, absolutely empty, and I received similar reports from other cities. This is very encouraging. You have sent a clear message that you want Emmerson Mnangagwa and his corrupt cabal, Rigananda, to go. He further emphasized, in quotes, this is just the beginning of a series of events to send him packing, and we want to assure you that he is going in the shortest possible time. Keep pressing hard. Momentum must be maintained. We need to remain strong. However, Geza expressed his concerns about the police response to the protest. We have observed police barbaric actions against innocent and peaceful protesters. We have seen that Emmerson is using the police to instill gross fear in the public instead of engaging with them, or better still, just resigning. He specifically called out Police Commander Mutamba, saying, Mutamba, I want to warn you, the children of Zimbabweans have a right to demonstrate. That is their democratic right. In the Constitution, we are no different from other countries like South Africa. You are oppressing people. You want to do what Smith used to do. Mashoko anobudashitogwa panapa naBhumsho Geza tinoona kuti aiwa after maprotest aitika anoadresa vanhu, but anopa a strong warning kumapurisa achiti aiwa you must let people demonstrate. Anouya achipa a specific message kumapurisa achiti aiwa do not let aiwa these leaders vakaita sana Mutamba vachikushandisai aiwa mofanira kuregera vanhu vachiprotesta. Imessage yadirector aiwa kune mapurisa. Mutidze mafungiro enyu mutidi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.